In this video we will show you how to resolve heating problem in wet jet machine by testing and changing thermostat and heater.